Sri Sairam Engineering College. The vision of the college is to emerge as center of excellence, offering technical education and research opportunities of very high standards to students, develop the total personality of the individual, and instill high levels of discipline and strive to set global standards, making the students technologically superior and ethically strong, who in shall turn contribute to advancement of society and humankind. And the mission of the college is the college dedicates to achieve, sustain, and foster unmatched excellence in technical education. To the end, the college pursues continuous development of infrastructure and enhance the state of art equipment to provide students a technologically up to date and intellectually inspiring environment of learning, research, creativity, innovation, and professional activity, and inculcate in them ethical and moral values. Disclaimer: this information is collected from various sources in the internet only for the information purpose. The user is advised to confirm the accuracy of this data. The courses offered here are BE Electronics and Communication Engineering, BE Mechanical Engineering, BE Computer Science and Engineering, BE Production Engineering, BE Electrical and Electronics Engineering, BTech Information Technology, BE Civil Engineering, BE Electronics and Instrumentation, BE Instrumentation and Control Engineering. The cutoff marks of the previous years for OC is between 158 and 189 for various courses. For BCM, the cutoff is between 127 to 180. For BC, the cutoff is between 142 and 185. For MBC, it is 120 to 178, and for SC, it is from 82.5 to 156. And these cutoff marks varies every year. The facilities available at Sairam College are library, more than 64,000 volumes of books, 180 journals, and one third of them being international. Also, subscripted online journals like IEL Online, Science Direct, ASCE, ASME, McGraw Hill Access Engineering, ABSCO is available. It covers more than 6,000 full text online journals. Hostel. The hostel is constructed in area of around 9,693 square meter. It consists of two phases, and the reading area and recreation rooms are also available. Banking. The Central Bank of India is situated in a sophisticated building within the campus with an ATM facility. It is accessible for staff and students for transaction on all working days. Sports. The atmosphere and surroundings of institution are conducting for developing sports personalities and sport activities. Transport. The college is easily accessible from Tambaram railway station by state operated transport service. In addition, the college owns a fleet of 136 buses, and these buses operate along nearly 115 routes in and around Chennai. Canteen. The canteen is effectively functioning to satisfy the needs of students and staff with variety of delicious food items at affordable rates. The recruiters at Sairam Engineering College are Tata Consultancy Services, Infosys, Cognizant, Wipro, Flipkart, Inotex, Zoho, HCL, Car, Wildcraft, Product, Johnson's Controls, HTC Global, Amazon, Justel, JRA, Unisys, SIFI, CSE, Sutherland, Photon, Rane, Hyundai, Sintel, HDFC Bank, Vestas, Newgen, CGI, Urjanet, ThoughtWorks, Emphasis, Accenture, NTT Data, Technip, Sirma, Solaris, Delphi TVS, Jaro, Kotak, Caterpillar, ACT, DBS, IBM, Flex, Tech Mahindra, Indus Site, and many more. The overall result from this college lies between 80 to 90 percentage. College code is 1419. You can contact college at 044 2251 2222. Website at www.sairamgroup.in. The college is located at Sai Leo Nagar, West Tambaram, Chennai 600044. You can mail at info@sairamgroup.in.